gonna get enrolled. Which us love this. I'm gonna be recording the whole verse. Okay? I'm not a transfer. I've been here since grade 2 and I'm turning grade 3.
Kasi sabi ko parang na lang po sa ano dahil wala po ako sa chat ng
It's my mom
Dahil
speaking.
nasa province na po ako nun eh. Before po yung exam time noon, dahil sabi ko mag-e-exam kayo last sa monthly. Sige po. Ito mama.
Hello, Teacher Ryan.
Ay, nakalimutan po ni teacher. Naka-ano sa page eh, pero sige mag-ano.
Nakalimutan po ni Teacher Gina kasi na-set sa amin. Kasi
Ah,
ganyan. Nakarating po sa amin pero walang name. Kasi wala nga po proof of payment sa
okay.
amin.
Okay lang naman.
Yun
Ay, sabi ko, nasa
There's no place around
Sa monthly na may option pa ako na makapay ako para mag-release lang. Sabi ko kasi mag-e-exam. Ayun. Kaya makinake ko siya agad. Ano yung kaya ng FQQ na parang
I was bored, so I sang.
Yan na. Okay.
The one with the dress and with flowers is my mom. The one with the uniform is the one who's gonna make us enroll. Mommy, are we done? Mommy? Mommy, are we done? Oh, we're done? Okay.
Isa yan lang sa hinahanap namin. Sabi namin, magre-reklamo naman sa parent. Ay, sa inyo po. Wait lang lang ha.
sige lang po.
I was recording.
It's for my YouTube channel. Guys, I will try my best on the editing because I'm not good at editing. Please do not bash. It's my first time doing a video. Oh, Milton Academy. My school's name is Milton Academy. Yes. It's a private school, guys. So, it's my mom. I'm with high honors. With high honors that, did you know? With high honors that I is top 1. I'm the smartest in my class. But that's all pass. I hope I will pass in grade 3 like with high honors again. I don't think I will have top 1, but still, I'm the smartest them. There's no place I'd rather be than on my surfboard out at sea. When I'm going in the ocean blue. And if I had one wish come true, I'd surf till the sun sets beyond the horizon. I'll be quick in my lonely lion like a puppy in a loop. Run up to the Hawaiian roller coaster ride. I love that song. I'm obsessed. But I do like this. You can ask the flowers. I sit for hours. Telling all the bluebirds. The bill and bluebirds. Pretty little baby. I'm all I need. And a Milton Academy. A, B, C, no. A, B, C, D, E, K, L, M, N, O, Q,
Hello po.
Ay,
Ito po yung sa card niya.
R, W,
Pangalan niyo po dito. Tapos si enroll na din po siya. Kamusta ka?
good.
yes.
Lapit na magpasokan, honey. Ready
Ready
ka ba? Ready ka na po magpasok? Ha?
Naku, ang init na nga sa bang.
Ito po ang pipiratan niya para po sa enroll niya.
I'm gonna have
Ito ba yung card niya?
Bye. See you on part 2. I'll be there.
Pwede po tayo doon sa may...
Sige, doon na sa may